How to add Binance Coin. Are you guys facing issues to add Binance Coin on your MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on MetaMask, make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you get logged in, now tap the plus icon. After you click on it, now tap on search bar and search for Binance Coin. You are looking to add Binance Coin, right? Just check the box and hit the next button. You can see the option for import, tap on it. As soon as you click on import button, as soon as you hit the import button, Binance Coin will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Binance Coin on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out.